of any issue or discussion. That has to be kept in mind. Papers to be laid. There is a procedure, you know, Sukend, you have been in the chair also, senior also. So papers to be laid on the table. Sri Muralidharan, Parliament Affairs. Papers first.
Respected Chairman, sir, with your permission, on behalf of my colleagues, Sri Som Prakash ji and Sri Kailash Chaudhary ji, I lay on the table of the House the papers listed against their names and serial numbers 1 and 2 respectively in today's revised list of business.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce. Sri John Bittas. Acha.
English and Hindi of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Commerce mentioned against my name in the list of business today.
Thank you, Mr. John Bittas. You have understood the spirit of my observation, and even before I sent circular, you have gone to the respective place allotted to you. I appreciate you for this. Report of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Sri T.G. Venkatesh.
Respected Chairman, sir, I rise to present the 293rd report on status of aviation connectivity in the country, both Hindi and English versions of the Standing Committee on Transport, Tourism and Culture. Thank you, sir.
Reports of the Department-related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Labour. Sri Vivek Thakur.
Sir, I rise to lay the 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd and 24th reports, Hindi and English versions, of the Standing Committee on Labour as listed against my name in the list of businesses.
Reports of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes. Sri Narayana Koragappa.
Sir, I rise to lay on the table 6 report of the Committee on Welfare of Other Backward Classes as listed against my name in the today's list of business. These reports were presented on Honourable Speaker under Direction 71A of the directions by the Speaker Lok Sabha on 13/6/2020 and 25/7/2020. The reports were also placed before the Honourable Chairman Rajya Sabha on 22/6/2020 and 30/7/2020 when the House was not in session. So, thank you, sir.
Statement by Minister Sadhvi Niranjan Jyoti.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, आज की संशोधित क्रम संख्या 7 मेरे ग्रामीण विकास विभाग मंत्रालय की अनुदान मांगों 19-20 के संबंध में विभाग संबंधी ग्रामीण विकास संबंधी संसदीय स्थायी समिति के प्रथम प्रतिवेदन के अंतर्विहित सिफारिशों के कार्यान्वयन की स्थिति के संबंध में एक वक्तव्य सभा पटल पर रखती हूँ।
Motion for election to the Coconut Development Board Kochi. Sri Narendra Singh Tomar.
माननीय सभापति महोदय, मैं यह प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि नारियल विकास बोर्ड नियम 1981 के नियम 4 के उपनियम 1 के खंड 1 और 2 के साथ पठित नारियल विकास बोर्ड अधिनियम 1979 की संख्या 5 की धारा 4 के उपधारा 4 के खंड अणा के अनुसरण में यह सभा उस रीति से जैसा सभापति निर्देश दें सभा के सदस्यों में से एक सदस्य को नारियल विकास बोर्ड का सदस्य होने के लिए निर्वाचित कार्रवाई करनी है।
Motion moved. Those in favor please say aye. Those against please say no. I think the ayes have it, the ayes have it, the ayes have it. The motion is adopted. There is still business. I have to inform the members that the Business Advisory Committee on its meeting held on 22nd July 2021 has allotted time for government legislative and other business as follows. Statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Insolvency Bankrupt Code number 3, 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 4th April 2021, admitted in the names of Sri Shakti Singh Gohel, Sri Ramaram Karim, Sri D.V. Sivadasan, Sri Vinay Viswam, and Sri M.V. Shreyams Kumar. Consideration passing of the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code Amendment Bill to replace Ordinance, 3 hours to be discussed together. Then, statutory resolution seeking disapproval of the Commission of Air Quality Management in National Capital Region, adjoining areas Ordinance 2021, number 4 of 2021, promulgated by the President of India on 13th April 2021, admitted in the names of Shakti Singh Gohel, Sri Ramaram Karim, Dr. V. Sivadasan, Sri Vinay Viswam, Sri M.